fine people of the internet, as you've seen in the beginning of this video, we're finally painting the boot and the spoiler. I'm fuming, which is it's been a long time coming to this, so at least we're getting on with it. Now, you're going to have to forgive me for the vibration that's going to come through the camera, because I've got a buckled wheel I'm fuming apparently, so everything's vibrating like crazy. So I'm going to go back to my friends to sort this boot out. We did the spoiler last night. We're going to see what it looks like on the car and see how close the paint actually matches, because they don't actually make this paint anymore. And not only that, it's 21-year-old paint that's on this car, so it would have faded. Plus it's not water based, it's oil based, so you're going to have that's going to take into effect. So we're going to see how good it looks. I'm hoping it's going to be spot on, I'll be honest with you. But I'm also hoping we can sort this boot out today, and that once it's dried, and properly dried, we can stick it on and get rid of that old boot of mine, because that old boot is, in other words, kaput. So guys, this is the spoiler we did the previous night, and now we're going to show you some clips that I took during the whole entire process of doing the boot. Oh look, it's Dean. Nice one, brother.
Never mind, bring the beat back, 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 back. Bring the beat back, 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 back. Bring the beat, bring the back, 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 back. Bring the beat back, 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 back. Bring the beat back, 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 back. Bring the beat back, 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 back. Bring the beat, bring the back, 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 back. Bring the beat back, 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 back.
So guys, as you can see, we're back home. So me and my friend Dean were sorting the boot out, as you guys saw in the little clips that I made, and we did it. Finally rubbed down all the rust. We got rid of all the notches that we didn't need, i.e. all the clips that were just too much from factory to sort out. We didn't get to paint the underneath of the boot, but we got to a certain extent where we ran out of paint as well. We got rid of the wiper on that boot, so the Corsa no longer has a wiper on the rear, which it does look much better. Funny story, actually, it was about 4 days after I got the clips of when we were doing the boot. I've been in work since, you see. I actually poked my key through the whole rust patch on the boot, and it went completely through, as you've probably seen in a photo that I've just popped up somewhere here. But yeah, the boot is completely finished. That boot looks so much fucking better. and I should really stop swearing in case I have some sort of, there's kids on here, looking through all these videos, you don't know. All I've got to do now to fuming is the driver's side door, because it swung open in the wind that we had with Storm Dennis and all that crap. And there is a rust patch on that door as well. We've got the passenger side wing, which we need to change because that's got, well, one, it's not even the right colour. Secondly, it's bent from my own mistake from when I went to Abergele in the Corsa. I have a buckled wheel I need to sort out. We'll be putting that on the rear probably because we've not long just refurbed those wheels. So how I've got a buckled wheel, I haven't got a clue. So the Corsa just needs general clean. I've yet to still put the carpet in the interior to sort that off, and then I'll probably give it a good valet just to bring it up and make it look nice. I might be able to fix the bonnet. As we know, it's already scratched and scored. It's got a little bit of rust on it, but it is slowly getting there. A lot of people are mocking this car, saying, oh, it's only a 1.4 automatic, you should drop a 16 valve in there, or you should drop a 2 litre 8 valve in there. And that is something I am planning or thinking of getting done. But obviously I need the funds for that as well as the time. But the Corsa's engine's only done 68k. It's low mileage as it is, and yes, it's an 8 valve, but it's a plucky little car, and it's never thrown any issues when it comes to the engine, apart from its peeing oil at times. But then again, I haven't had to check the oil for the last couple of months anyway, so I think we're doing okay considering it still starts with no knocking noises or tapping noises or anything like that. Fuming is getting there very slowly. The boot's done. I need to sort the inside of the boot, although I'm not really bothered about that because I could probably cover that up. I need to get the boot sorted. The inside of the boot is completely full of crap. I need to sort that out, but she's getting there slowly. She's on 68k. It doesn't seem like I've done a lot of mileage since I've had her, but she's certainly looking much better than what she did. I mean, you can see from the videos that I caught of it afterwards, it's not the best match of paint, but it's the best that we could get at the time. And not only that, it's shiny, there's no rust on it, it beads, and it looks really nice. I suppose the only upside with that is obviously this is fresh paint against old paint, and oil-based paint against water-based paint. So again, you're going to see some sort of differences between the two. So a lot of people who are about to sort of keyboard warrior themselves into the comments by saying that does not look anywhere near what the original bodywork is, keep in mind that this is trying to compete with a 21-year-old paint job. So the colour matching is not going to be the best, but it is certainly adequate given the price of the car, and also the fact that it is nice and shiny, it is metallic, but they don't make that paint anymore. Anyways guys, so this is, I tell you what, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video like this, especially in this room. Anyways, I think the last video I did in this room to you guys, which is, I think it was when I was buying the Astra or something, or when I was doing the sort of economy test. So it's been a while, but yeah, hopefully we'll be seeing more, you'll be seeing more videos of me doing funny stuff, weird things, probably even fixing cars, even like that. I think this is my first proper video of things that I have done to this boot with a friend of mine as well, of course. Dean, if you're watching this, you're a legend. But anyways guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the boots that I've put on Fuming. I'm happy with the job. The main thing is I'm happy with it. It looks great, and if I was to take Fuming to a show, at least the colour of the boot is not mismatched, unlike other cars. I'm looking at this car in the daytime, and it puts a smile on my face. And I still maintain today that Fuming is the best 300 quid I have ever spent on a car, because if I never did anything to Fuming, apart from putting an exhaust on it and giving it new tyres and giving it an MOT, and sorting the boot out, because otherwise the hole would have got even worse, and sorting the speakers inside the interior because they weren't working, and the interior because it was absolutely awful. If I never had done any of the problems that I've solved, Fuming would still be reliable as it is. It's never really thrown any issues at me. The only main issue that I had to sort was when it went through the MOT and there was a brake ferrule pipe that was about to burst. Thanks very much for watching. Like I say, please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.